Hello guys, myself Neeti Sharma. Today we will solve SOF International English Olympiad IEO 2020 paper grade 3. Whenever you will attempt the paper, each question in the Achievers section carries 2 marks whereas all other questions carries 1 mark each. For question 1 to 9, the correct option to fill in the blank. For question 10 and 11, choose the part of the sentence that has an error. For question 12 and 13, choose the option with correct spelling. For question 16 to 20, read the passage and answer the question that follow. For questions 21 to 25, read the passage and answer the questions that follow. For questions 26 to 30, choose the most suitable option to complete each conversation. For question 31 and 35, choose the correct option as per requirement. To start the paper, word and structure knowledge. For question 1 to 9, the correct option to fill in the blank. We have one example. Dash sun is hottest in the afternoon. We have 4 options A, D, and some. Right answer is question 1. Ron wants dash tomato soup for the whole family. We have 4 options make, makes, made or making. So right one is made. The little girl went dash her room crying. We have 4 options again onto, into, at and with. So right one is into. Question number 3. John is a good player but he is very dash. We have 4 options active, aggressive, agile and strong. Right answer is aggressive. Question number 4. Sarla could not solve the puzzle so Mohit helped. Dash. We have 4 options again them, hers, her, it. Right answer is her. Question number 5. Maria is dash funniest person I have ever met. We have 4 options again a, and, the, no article. So right one is the. Question number 6. Dash you help me with my homework tonight. We have 4 options are, does, will, was. Right answer is will. Question number 7. Dash is bless. Option 1 ignore, option 2 ignorance, option 3 ignorant, option D ignoring. Right answer is ignorance. Question number 8. Plastic will melt dash it gets too hot. We have 4 options again. Number 1 but, number 2 so, number 3 because and number 4 if. So right answer is if. Question number 9. They have not come yet dash they. We have 4 options do, has, had and have. Right answer is have. For questions 10 and 11, choose the part of the sentence that has an error. Question number 10. Spotting error. I could not go outside since of the rain. We have 4 options again. I could not go outside since of the rain. Right answer is since of. Question number 11. My sister has a ugly hat which I absolutely hate. Option 1. My sister has. Option 2. A ugly hat. Option 3. Which I. And option 4. Absolutely hate. So right answer is a ugly hat. For question 12 and 13, choose the option with correct spelling. Check spelling. Question number 12. The correct spelling of the word that is a disease. Option 1. Jaundice. Option B. Jaundice. Option C. Jaundice. And option D. Jaundice. So right answer is jaundice. Question number 13. Choose the correct spelling of the word that is a type of physical exercise. A. Gymnastis, B. Gymnastis, C. Gymnastis, and D. Gymnastics. So right answer is gymnastics. Synonyms. Question number 14. Choose the synonym of convince. A. Persuade, B. Fail, C. Prevent, and D. Confuse. So right one is persuade. Antonym. Question number 15. Choose the antonym of spoil. We have four options again: impair, upset, ruin, create. So right one is create. For question 16 to 20, read the passage and answer the questions that follow. This is a passage. Once an emperor was trying to find a successor for his throne. In order to find the right person, the emperor held a contest. In the contest, he provided seeds to all the participants and declared that whoever bring the most beautiful flower shall win the throne. A young gardener felt it was the right contest for him and took part in the competition, but much to his disappointment, the seeds refused to grow no matter how much effort and care he puts into them. One day, on the day of the final decision, he decided to be truthful and took his empty pot and placed it among us the beautiful flower grown by other people. The empire saw the gardener's empty pot and chose him as the winner. This surprised everyone at first, but later it was revealed that the seeds the emperor provided were cooked once and they would not have grown in any situation. His honesty was reflected in his empty pot, and the gardener was thus rewarded by the emperor. Later, the emperor trained him and made him the emperor. Question number 16. What did the emperor give the participants? Option 1 garden, option 2 flowers, option 3 seeds, and option 4 pot. So right answer is seeds. Question number 17. Why did the emperor hold the competition? Option A to find a new gardener, option B to find a successor for his throne, option C study his subjects, option D to see beautiful flowers. So right answer is to find a successor for his throne. Question number 18. The seeds provided by the emperor who would not grow because they were dash. Option A old, option B not watered, option C already cooked, and option D stones. So right one is not watered. Question number 19. How did the gardener decide to be truthful? Option A by taking his empty pot to the competition, option B by buying a new plant, option C by showing beautiful flowers, option D by buying a new flower pot. So right answer is by taking his empty pot to the competition. The meaning of the word revealed in the story is dash. Option A hidden, option B exposed, option C remained, option D recreated. So right answer is exposed. For question 21 to 25, read the passage and answer the questions that follow. The kangaroo is the national animal of Australia. There are four types of kangaroo: the red, antilopine, eastern grey and western grey. The red kangaroos are the largest and they can grow up to 2 meters and jump as high as 3 meters. On land, kangaroos only move their hind legs together. However, in the water, they kick each leg independently to swim. Kangaroos are the only large animal to use hopping as their primary method of locomotion. Hopping is a fast and energy-saving way of traveling while allows them to cover large distance in habitats where there is little food and water available. Young kangaroos are called joys and they spend several months growing in their mother's pouch before leaving to explore the world. Kangaroos also have excellent hearing capacity and like some other animal are able to move their ear in different directions without moving the rest of the head. Kangaroos are social animals which stay in groups of at least 3-4 individuals. Some group of kangaroos collectively referred to as mob and troops can be as big as 100 individuals. So solve the questions. Question number 21. What are the types of kangaroos? Option A, black, antilopine, eastern and western black. B, red, antilopine, eastern grey and western grey. Option C, red, black, grey and white. Option D, red, antilopine, black and grey. So right one is red, antilopine, eastern grey and western grey. Question number 22. What is the main method of locomotion for kangaroos? Option A, running, B, walking, C, hooping and D is swimming. The right one is C, hooping. Question number 23. Kangaroos are called social animal because they dash. Option A, can talk. Option B, stay alone. Option C, stay in groups of at least 3 to 4 individuals. And option D, are smart. So right answer is C, stays in groups of at least 3 to 4 individuals. Question number 24. What are young kangaroos called? A, calf, B, joy, C, puppy and C, cub. So right answer is B, joy. Question number 25. What is the collective noun of kangaroos called? Option A, swam, B, school, C, mob, D, bale. So right answer is C, mob. Spoken and written expression. For question 26 to 30, choose the most suitable option to complete each conversation. Example, Roy, what dash does our class start? Kusum, it starts at 8:30. We have 4 options, day, time, hour or moment. So right answer is time. Question number 26. Rajat, is everything okay? You look worried. Geeta, dash. We have 4 options. I think so. Don't worry. Are you okay? Nothing to ask. And option D, I am quite nice. So right answer is I think so. Don't worry. Question number 27. Man, hi mom. How was work? Mother, just fine. Did you get dash with your cousin today? We have 4 options again. A, over, B, along, C, after, D, next to. So right answer is along. Question number 28. Arushi, you have cleaned your room dash? Alicia, yes, it is all clean now. We have 4 options again. A, have not you, B, didn't you, C, are not you and D, have you. So right answer is haven't you. Question number 29. Riya, do you like watching movies? Jayati, dash. Option A, do you? B, no, I do not. Option C, they do. And option D, Sheila is a huge movie buff. So right answer is no, I do not. Question number 30. Eric, when I was in town this afternoon, I did the shopping and went to the bank. Blair, lucky you. Dash, 2 birds with 1 stone. We have 4 options again. Option number 1, kills. Option number 2, killing. Option number 3, will kill. And option number 4, has killed. So right answer is killing. Now Achievers section. For question 31 and 35, choose the correct option to fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. Question number 31. You are not supposed to talk to dash stranger. Option A, B, and C, the, and D, no article. So right answer is no article. Question number 32. I have to get up early, dash the crack of dawn. Option A, on. Option B, it. Option C, at. Option D, under. So right answer is option C, at. Now spotting error. Question number 33. Choose the part of the sentence that has an error. My father usually wakes up at 5 a.m. for his morning walk. We have four options again. My father usually wakes up at 5 a.m. for his morning walks. So right answer is my father usual. Synonym. Question number 34. Choose the synonym of mystify. Option A, confuse. Option B, beautiful. Option C, honest. And option D, lose. So right answer is option A, confuse. Fill in the blank. Question number 35. Choose the correct option to complete the conversation. Jack, let's play one more game. Rohan, no way. I dash, you have already beaten me 3 times. We have four options again. Option A, defeating. Option B, surrender. Option C, won. Option D, challenge. So right answer is option B, surrender. Okay, test your knowledge by test your knowledge by attempting the give test and get your score. Link of the test is here. Thanks for watching.